And today I'm going to show you what I'm packing for the kids. Got a peanut butter jelly sandwich for my teen, peanut butter for the tween, no jelly, a couple of pretzel dippers, a couple of granola bars, a couple of cuties, a Gatorade. I'm going to add a little more water, a lemonade, some Famous Amos cookies, pretzels, the rest of the Doritos, and some kettle cooked chips. Different than the school lunch video, we are throwing together snacks and food for swimming. It's going to be near 90 today in my part of New York. I heard Wyoming and Colorado got snow, but they're in the mountains, so it's expected. I'm going to put the water bottles and the other bottles to the bottom as usual. Sandwiches on top. The cuties off to the side here. And then I'm going to layer the chips. Add in the loose snacks. And then the unopened right at the top. An ice pack will go in there. But my children prefer warm water rather than ice cold. We're going to be going to our favorite watering hole that we went to last weekend. If you are new, drop a hi in comments. Let me know that you're new. Because when we get to 1,400, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. One for new subscribers, one for people who comment. You must be subscribed and a U.S. resident. You must comment and let me know that you're new. Just be honest. Make sure you're subscribed. We are looking for 18 more people to give out one 5 items prize pack from the Dollar Tree. The same rules apply. We have a kids' weekly lunch video, Monday through Friday during school days, for your convenience under the Shorts Players List that shows different types of pantry-friendly lunches that are cheap and frugal, from leftovers to sandwiches to non-sandwich ideas. Check out the Players List. We also have a Dollar Tree Haul Players List, Cook With Me, Cleaning, and many different types of Players Lists for your enjoyment to watch over and over again. I'll be taking some videos and pictures over at the waterfall to see if anything has bloomed since we were there this past week. A lot of new flowers come up late May this time of the year in New York State. If you're in an area where it's going to be warm and you're going to be outside, make sure you sunblock yourself and your family. Have a great day.